Hello, it's Brent Sharp with Leverage and Lean, and today is Monday, which means it's Macro Monday, and I can't think of a better way to start out your week than being more efficient and effective on your computer. And Leverage and Lean is here to help. Let's go to work. Alright, thank you so much for taking time to view this Macro Monday video. It is February 17th, it is 4:17 a.m. Improvement sounds like work and looks like work because it is work. But at Leverage and Lean, we're not here to add things to your to-do list, we're here to take things off. One improvement frees up time to make another one, and that's how continuous improvement begins. Okay, the macro coming out this morning is move old emails. This is an Outlook macro that's going to free out your inbox by moving completed emails out of sight, out of mind, to a subfolder you've predetermined. It's going to keep you in your inbox getting more done. You can also schedule this macro to fire reoccurring on your Outlook calendar using the call action for the Outlook calendar reminder macros. Tuesdays are my insights, and a simple statement: you are not a race car. It's not about going fast on your computer, it's about not crashing or making mistakes. So give that one a good read. And Wednesdays are my quick wins. You may not have known, but you can actually drag and drop text in Word. Instead of copying and cutting and pasting, you can simply drag it to where you want and drop it to where it needs to belong. This helps you save some time and reduces clicks by probably 1 or 2. This is also available in Outlook, so give that one a look. And Thursdays are my tutorials, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can customize a new blank Excel workbook. You probably notice you start with 1 or 3 predetermined sheets when you create a new Excel workbook, but you can also adjust that to be as many initial sheets as you want, and also change the font size and type initially. A couple adjustments can really save up time in the long run. And keep in mind, it's easy to get distracted. With so many priorities going on your computer, it makes a lot of sense, but let your computer keep you on track. Busy people get distracted, but productive people build systems that allow them to get things done. Alright, well, I'm going to wrap up this Macro Monday video. Thanks so much for your time. Stay awesome. Thank you so much for taking time to view this video. I really do appreciate it. If you could do me another big favor, please subscribe to stay updated on any new videos that I'm posting. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, connect us on LinkedIn, check us out on Instagram. Stay awesome.